This is 220 for the packing machine, and here is the power. And then we turn on this one on for the heater, and here is for the touch screen for Chinese, English, and then for this one. Here's the seat. Here's for the parking film. If you want to change the parking film, and here's the film manual, and the cutter manual, and the manual speed, jog speed, and the forward manual, and way back the cutter manual, and the whole machine manual, and here's stop, urgent stop, and here is for start, and for the motor page, other functions, and machines manual, jog, and for the cap, and for the English, enter. Here one double click to running. Okay, here's for the start. So here for the start the paper cup film, paper cup packing, and here is put here. Here's connect to the cup collector. Keep here. Cup collector keep here. And the film. Film is here. Film is fit here and keep in the center. And if you have printing, there is a print mark track. The film is come from the here under, and then to the roller, the plastic roller, and then wrap this one, and this one for the track the printing mark, and then come to here, see, come to here, the film comes under film, and the roller. This move, open and move, and left and right. This is open. Here is close, open. Okay, open, close. The roller close, and the film wrap here, and to the center, almost to the center. When you keep feed the packing machine and the collector jointer, you need about 5 millimeter, 10 millimeter distance. Not touch. You should leave space because here space, and here is the film. Feed to this one place. Here's guide, and here is for the open and close, open and close the film to this one film, waiting the temperature arrival. If you adjustment the height, here's adjustment the height, the ceiling height. This one adjustment the ceiling height, the location, and after finish, it's come to here. Here's heating. Here's the heating side. Heating will seal the film, and after finish, and here's the cut. Here's the punching cut. Inside here's cutter and seal. Road cutter and seal. Here's a road cutter. Water will road cutter, and then the cups come out. Here is use. If use or no use depends. You can open and keep. Okay, here is the car parking machine, and here you need the air compressor. Air compressor inside. Air compressor, and air compressor to the collector. Cup collector, and the air compressor to the parking machine. And there is the jointer for the parking machine and the parking assembly parts here. And here is the sensor. Here is a sensor. Here is a sensor to detect where you collect. Here this one collects. And here is a two pipe, and here is another joint. You see, there is a two electric parts, electric joint plug, and here is one sensor. You should collect the sensor. The sensor is fixed here. While you collect. Because we're parking, we will move this one. You see? You will move this one, the sensor. You need to collect the sensor. You should need to collect the sensor. And then the joint, the plug. And that's the power plug. So it's simple. Here's the parking main machine, and here's the parking assembly. Collector parts. Here is the sensor detect the cups. Drop here, and he will start to feed the parking machine. If there is another pulse, he will start to fill. And that sensor for count for the collector, and then drop to the parking machine.